oro hamwe na Ben Gukunio maratongoririe mbitika ici na iria irakorwo igithakwo mwena wa Rwaraka. Na riu timu ino ya KCB ni haririe gugathaka thiini wa mbitika ingi kuria bururi-ini wa Germany tariki 20 nginya tariki 21 thiini wa mweri o uyu turi wa kanana.
The World Chess Body, which is FIDE, has organized the World Rapid Team Chess Championship, which will be held in Germany, starting I think on 25th of this month for a couple of days. And we are lucky and happy that KCB has sponsored us, the chess team, to go there. Now this event is, it basically takes the best teams in every country, the best club teams in every country. It's very, very, very grueling, like the competition is very high. I think former world chess champion Magnus Carlsen will be having a team there. Many